Dear student, we are discuss about classification of crystalline solid. Crystalline solids are classified into four types. Four types: ionic solid, metallic solid, third one is covalent network solid, and last one is molecular solid. Molecular solid. Therefore, we'll discuss one by one. First, we discuss about ionic solid. In ionic solids, there are ions are present. Ions is cations and anions. Anions are bigger in size than cations, and they are held by strong Coulombic electrostatic force of attraction. Okay, if we see the diagram of ionic solids, there are smaller positive cations, larger anions. See carefully and listen carefully. Larger, smaller, larger, smaller, larger, smaller cation. Here again cation. Here anions, cations, anions, cations, anions, 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 anions. Okay, smaller cation, larger anions. Okay, if we see the properties of ionic solid, there are different layers are present. If a shearing force is applied, shearing force is applied to ionic solid, then the one layer is slide with another layer. In this way, see, one layer, that my hand is one layer, and that second hand is second layer. If we are shearing force is applied, then that layers are slide with each other, and also there is friction take place. That is friction, and also fracture take place or sliding take place. Such type of called as ionic solid. Ionic solids are hard and brittle. They have high melting points. But see carefully, one of the important property is that in solid state, they do not conduct electricity, but in aqueous state, they conduct electricity. For example, NaCl, KCl, K2SO4. These are the ionic solid in which smaller cations and bigger anions are present. That is, Na plus is smaller, Cl minus is larger, K plus is smaller, Cl minus is larger. Then, secondly, we discuss about metallic solid. In metallic solids, there positively charged cations are present and there is delocalized electrons are present. That is, electrons are delocalized over the crystals. They leaving the positive charge and they can delocalize over the crystal. In metallic solids, there is metallic bond is present. That bond is strong bond is present. Metallic bond is strong bond. That bond is present between the delocalized electron and the positively charged ions. If we see the structure of metallic solids, suppose one plate of metals. In that plates, positive ions are present. See carefully and listen carefully. And electrons are delocalized. Electrons are free to move from one place to another place. Hence that electron is also called as mobile electrons. And they form kernel, KERNL. That is, if we can apply electric field to that plates, then they conduct electricity. Also they conduct thermal stability. They are thermal stability. That is, they are good conductor of heat and electricity. That is the property of the metallic solids. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. If a shearing force is applied, we are see the shearing force again. Shearing force. Is applied to metal plate. Again, that one hand, my one hand is one layer and second hand is second layer. If a shearing force is applied to metallic plate, that layer only slide with each other. There is no fracture take place. That is, there is no gap between that two. They will only slide with each other, and hence the metals are malleable and ductile. We can make a sheet of metal and we can make a thin wire of metals. Again, they are good conductor of heat and electricity. They are hard and brittle. Such type of that is called as metallic solid. Third one is covalent network solid. We know that the name covalent network. Network means there are large number of bonds present, and that bonds are strong bond, and that bonds are covalent bond. Best covalent bond are present in covalent network solid. The best example is silica, SiO2. SiO2. In silicon, there is covalent bond are present between Si and oxygen, and that covalent bond to form a GaN molecule. That is, they are again hard. But in covalent network solid, there are atoms are present. That atoms are linked with each other to form a covalent bond, and that is called a covalent network solid. They are hard, rigid, brittle. Okay, but the property is that they do not conduct electricity. They are poor conductor of electricity. For example, SiO2 again, we know that SiO2 is a covalent network solid. Then diamond, we know that name. Diamond. We can say that the diamond is the hardest substance on the earth. It is that contain the covalent network. That is contain covalent bond. Hence, that is that substance that covalent network solid is hardest. It is hard. Whereas we can say that diamond is the hardest substance on the earth. Therefore, such type of solid is called as covalent network solid. Then molecular solid. Molecular solid. In molecular solids, again, there is covalent bond is present between the molecule. Listen carefully. There are molecular, that is name is molecular. Hence, there are molecules are present. For example, we are seeing that H2 molecule, Cl2 molecule, H2O molecule, NH3 molecule, such type of molecules. They are, that is, they are in gaseous state also, they are in liquid state also, vapor state also, that is the gaseous. When they solidify, they form molecular solid. They form the molecular solid. Therefore, if we see in molecular solid, again we have discussed that there are covalent bonds are present between the molecules, and there is molecular solid. Okay. Molecular solid. In molecular solid, there are different types of bonds are present. These are ASS. That is, we are saying that weak dipole bond are present, or interaction are present. Okay. Second one is, we have discussed one by one also. weak dipole bond is present. Second one is, we have seen that very weak dispersion force, or it is also called as London force. Very weak dispersion force and London force are present. Third one, we can see that there are hydrogen bonding is also present. Hydrogen bond is present in molecular solid. If we discuss about weak dipole bond, we know that dipole means that molecules contain polarities, that only polar molecule in which there are dipole are present. For example, we have seen that HCl is a polar molecule. Why HCl is polar? Who can tell me? Okay, very good. HCl is polar because that hydrogen contains positive charge and this Cl contains negative charge. Therefore, there are two poles are present. When one HCl molecule come in contact with second HCl molecule, that contain positive, that contain negative, then in that is one molecule creates the dipole. That dipole interaction is present between that two, and they are held by very weak, that weak dipole bond. HCl in HCl. Where we have said that HCl to HCl, that means in this way. HCl, here H positive, here negative, then bond is here H positive, Cl negative, and that bond is called as weak dipole bond. Then we will discuss about very weak dispersion forces. Such forces are present generally in similar molecules. Similar means that molecules are formed from similar atom. Here we have seen the example of H2Cl2. That two molecules, that is hydrogen combined to form H2, Cl combined to form Cl2. In such type of molecule, again example CH4 is the same. CH4 is also one of the example of that is very weak dispersion forces or London forces. Because if there are carbon and hydrogen, but there is very less electronegative difference between that two, and hence these molecules are held by very weak dispersion forces, that is CH4, H2 and Cl2. They are held by very weak dispersion forces. Then hydrogen bond, that is very important. Hydrogen bond is present in molecular solid. Hydrogen bond is the bonds are formed by more electronegative atom and more positive atom. That is their most important note is that is hydrogen is very important in that molecule. If hydrogen contains then and then, that molecule contains hydrogen bond. For example, H2O. In H2O, we will see that hydrogen and oxygen are present. Oxygen is more electronegative and hydrogen is more positive, electropositive. If we will see the hydrogen bonding in H2O, we will see that HOH, that is more electronegative, more electropositive. When such molecule, one H2 molecule is come in contact with second H2 molecule, then they form the hydrogen bond in this way, and that bond is called as hydrogen bond. That is more electronegative oxygen atom of one molecule attract more electropositive of second H2 molecule and to form hydrogen bond. Such type of bond are present in H2O, NH3, HF. Such type of hydrogen bond, and that is molecular solid. That is called as molecular solid. There is molecular solid contain weak dipole bond, very weak dispersion bonds, and hydrogen bond. There are some property. Let's see some property of that molecular solid. Molecular solids are weak, that contain weak bond, and hence their melting point is very low. They do not conduct electricity. Okay. Hence, they are poor conductor of electricity. Hence, we are in this way we are discuss about the classification of crystalline solid. Okay.